Welcome to today's Bitcoin daily forecast. Today we're going to be analyzing Bitcoin, what the price of Bitcoin, all the charts. We're going to be showing you what the market is going to be doing. Like I said, we don't predict the market, we'll react based on what we see. Alright, yesterday I didn't make a video because I was busy. I went somewhere early in the morning. Also, I wasn't able to record the video. Alright, so this is Bitcoin chart right now. Yesterday we have a FOMC news. Let me check out DXY. Let's see what is happening on DXY. As you can see, DXY is still very bullish on the 4-hour time frame. There is no sign of retracement on the DXY. What does that mean? Probably we're gonna break this structure. If this structure right here is taken out, obviously we are now fully bullish. So that is actually structure holding DXY right here. If you check on the daily is also bullish. You can see we did not break structure on the daily. Yeah, you can see there was no structure break. Yeah, it was just a liquidity grab. The market just grabbed liquidity and moved to the upside. But if you go on the 4-hourly, we broke with the body close, and this is the structure responsible for that break. So you can actually check other time frame. Let's say, for example, let's check 8-hour. Let's see what happened on the 8-hour. Okay, you can see on 8-hour we broke structure. To me, that level is a very important level I'm looking at very closely, and that is where we are right now, seeing how the market is about to break it, or if you can start reversing from here. As you can see, the market got to that area and push down, and it's pushing up this push down the second time. It's now moving on the third time. So we're actually looking out for what is going to happen at that level. So this is the price action we're actually trading on DXY, this price action right here. So we are still bullish on this price action. There is no sign of bearishness, though we are failing to create highs, but we are still very bullish. Okay, let's analyze Euro USD. As you can see, this is Euro USD. Let's check the daily time frame. We can see how we massively went to the downside. Honestly, the market did not give me opportunity to sell off, but it is what it is. Looking at what the market is doing right now, we are currently in the last higher low. We have headed to that higher low structure. Let me zoom this. You can see the market just went to that area and grabbed liquidity and closed. The candle close was kind of you can call this doji candle, yeah, on the daily time frame. But if you go on the 8-hour, let's check at the 8-hour to see, and the same thing, we did not break this structure. This is the last higher low that broke structure. This structure right here, let me show you. This is the last higher low. This structure right here, it broke structure on the 8-hourly time frame. So we are still bullish until we break it. So we're looking forward, either the market breaks it or the market start moving to the upside. But looking at what you are seeing on the daily time frame, on the 4-hour time frame here, this is the 4-hour time frame. Looks as if you have turned bullish. You are kind of bullish to an extent until we break this low. Yeah, because while we have a body close here, body close, you can see body close, and you can see, but this is the high that we created. The market is not trending now. You can see the price action is very corrective. If you go to lower time frame, you see what I'm saying. The price action right here, very corrective. So I'm actually going to be very patient, waiting, because I'm not really trading always. As you can see, this is the price action we are currently trading on, which is very corrective on the Euro USD. For me, I'm stepping away from this. This is a very corrective price action until I see the true market intention before I strike. For like today, I don't think I'll be taking trades. I don't feel like taking trades today. Yeah, so today I'm going to be doing my ASL. What does that mean? Advanced self-review. As a trader, you need to have those things in check for you to become a better trader. There are some days you need to there's some days you need to go off the chart and do some self-analysis. Since you're doing chart analysis, you're going to do some self-analysis. So that's what I'm actually doing today. So focusing on myself, working on my psychology, and so many other things. Alright, so let me go to Bitcoin to see what is happening on Bitcoin right away. Alright, so this is Bitcoin right here. Like I told you the other day, I was not really interested in trading Bitcoin because of how the price action is going. Like I said, the market is actually coming down. there was no clear movement, or there was no clear, you know, price action for me to take shots. So I decided to leave. The whole thing was so confusing on the lower time frame. So like I told you guys, this area is area where I'm actually buying. If probably Bitcoin will react from here, I can actually sell, yeah, but I'm waiting for that area to be taken out. This particular area here, I'm waiting for it to be taken out. But if the market gets here and start forming bullish momentum, obviously I'm buying the market to the upside. But like I said, on the long term, Bitcoin is still very bearish. There's nothing bullishness in Bitcoin right now. We're still very bearish. As you can see, this is the 4-hour time frame, as you can see right here, and this is what I am looking at. So as you can see, the way we just take out this, you know, corrective price action that is here. Let me show you all the price action in this level. All of them are very corrective. You can see how the market goes up and down, up and down. You can see this crazy corrective movement here. Before we know what was happening, the market pushed to the upside and go to the downside. As you can see, we broke structure, leaving this particular corrective price action. That was what the market did here. You can see what the market did here, you know, this corrective price action here. Let's go on the 1-hour time frame to see it very clear. You can see how the market goes up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Finally, you know, fake to the highs and break structure. So what are we going to expect? So based on what the market have done, this is what I'm trying to, what I will do. I will wait for the market to get here. This is where possibly I will take my shots. If I see any opportunity at this supply level here, I'll take my shot all the way to this low. Yeah, this is where I'm going to be taking my shot, from that top to this low. So this is where I'm going to take my shots, comfortably taking my shot. Like I told you, today I will not be trading. So if you are interested in taking Bitcoin, you can take advantage of this opportunity by allowing the market and waiting for the market to get there. Yeah, if the market did not get there, obviously I that's fine, but that's just how I trade. Yeah, I won't just see the market falling all of a sudden as I start using sell stops or buy stops. I don't use those limit orders. I don't use those orders. So I always like to wait for the market to pull back before I take my sell. I can see that area is a very clear supply area that the market can just tap into and drop. So I'm also looking out to see the market selling off at that area. Talking about BTC, it is very important. All right, so that's for BTC. This is the only thing I see. Like I said, the first target is at price of 22,400. That's the first sell target. Until we break that structure, it's now open floodgate for us to head to 20,000 or probably 17,000, or even creating new lows. So that is all for Bitcoin right now. So let's check out for gold, because I'm also a gold fan. I believe quite a number of people also trading gold. Oh, gold is bearish. Looking at what is happening to gold right now, gold is very bearish, very bearish, because we've actually broken structure. This is the last higher low that broke structure on the 4-hour. Also on the daily, let's check on the daily. The same thing. So this is the last higher low that broke structure. Obviously we have touched bearish. We have turned bearish on gold right now. So where is the next target for gold? For me, the next target for gold right now, seeing gold get into the price of 1712. This is a possible area I'm looking at for gold to start dropping. So if now gold on the 1-hour time frame, that is when I start looking for my entries, where I'm going to possibly enter the market. Okay, let me go ahead to delete this. Gold is very bearish right now. Looking at what we are seeing on gold, I'm looking forward to take my shots at this area of supply level. Let me show you. This is the area I'm going to be taking my shots. This area, yeah, this is where I'm possibly going to be taking my shots if I see opportunity at that area and start selling gold all the way to 1,712. Yeah, so that is what I'm going to be looking forward for gold. So that is it for today. All right, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, do subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification, and like our videos. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.